Amazon's Fire tablets have been a great value for many years. They offer a tablet that has so much content built in with all of Amazon's services, the App Store, and they sell these tablets for a very low price. Amazon now decided to take that success that they had with the Fire tablets and make a version for kids, which is actually a great idea. The Fire tablets are perfect for kids. They're cheap, they're plastic, they're hard to break, so it's great for young children. But is the all-new Fire 7 Kids Edition tablet really worth it? Let's take a look. Hey guys, this is Jonathan with Retethered, and this is a quick unboxing of the all-new Fire 7 Kids Edition tablet. It's a 7-inch tablet built for kids in mind. Before we get started, if you want to see more videos on tech news, reviews, and opinions, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. Let's get started. So normally this tablet retails for $99.99. So we're gonna go ahead and rip this seal open and see what you get. So I have the purple version, or at least the version that comes with a purple case. I believe all the tablets are black. And it comes with your standard charging cable. It's a USB, I wish it was a USB-C cable, but for the price, what can you expect? And a simple charging block. So now let's take a look at the tablet itself. It's a very simple tablet. You shouldn't be expecting much for the price tag. Obviously it's catered towards children. That's why you see this purple color. And it actually has a little kickstand on the back. So it's easy for your kids to prop it up and watch videos, which is really nice actually, because that's what kids usually use tablets for, is to watch videos and play games, and it makes it much easier to do so with a little kickstand. The case is very thick, to say the least. It will really protect your tablet. I don't know if you could see it, but you can see how thick this case is if you look at the cutouts here. It's a very, very thick case. It's very soft, very cushiony. You have the volume buttons, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and a power button. And on the other side, you have the speaker grill. So there's just one speaker, it looks like, on this tablet. And now we're just gonna get it set up before we get started. There was a few updates that had to be installed before we actually were able to start using the device, but the setup process is pretty easy. You sign into your Amazon account. Next, you go into creating the Amazon Free Time Unlimited account for the kids, and that allows you to create a password and create a profile for your kids. So you're able to actually limit what your kids are watching, have age-appropriate applications installed for each profile, and even monitor what type of applications or what type of videos they're watching. So it's really great if you want to keep an eye on what your kids are doing on their tablet. And the user interface for the Amazon Free Time Unlimited is very kid friendly. You can see everything that you need to up top: videos, games. Amazon puts all the games you can play. You can easily download it by clicking on the game or on the picture of the game. Amazon just makes it very simple for your kids to just start enjoying content. You can easily switch to your profile by scrolling down and then hitting the exit profile button. And when you click your profile, your name, it's going to have you enter the PIN, and then you're able to log into your own personal profile. And the tablet works just as any Fire 7 tablet would work. You can switch back to your kid's profile by clicking the profile button up top, and you're able to switch back to the Amazon Free Time Unlimited. It's pretty easy to use. Your kids can easily look for different content that Amazon provides inside the app. So is the tablet worth it? Well, it's going to depend on you. If you have kids and you're purchasing it for your children, it's definitely worth it. And with the Kids Edition, you also get a 2-year worry-free guarantee. So if the kids break the tablet or crack the screen or whatever happens to it, you're able to return it to Amazon for a brand new one. You should definitely pay the extra $50 and get the Kids Edition, because it's going to give you a case, it's going to give you the worry-free guarantee, and it's not worth it if you don't have the Amazon Free Time Unlimited. Amazon Free Time Unlimited is a great application for your kids, especially if you want them to be careful with the type of content they're watching. The great thing about the Amazon Free Time Unlimited is that you can put restrictions on almost anything for your children. Let me know what you think of the Amazon Fire 7 Tablet Kids Edition. If you purchased one, great. What do you think about it? Let me know with a comment down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And if you want to see more videos just like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching.